The SwiveLock is a device designed to repair injuries to the rotator cuff. If a torn rotator cuff is not repaired, arthritis may develop in the shoulder. The surgeon begins by identifying the tear in the rotator cuff tendon. The cuff is brought over to its original attachment site to ensure that the repair can be completed without tension. Once the bone and soft tissues are prepared to reattach the cuff, the surgeon creates a bone socket. A corkscrew FT anchor containing fiber chain suture is placed in this socket. And the fiber chain is then retrieved and passed through the rotator cuff from bottom to top. The suture is stored in a cannula for later use. A second socket is created and a SwiveLock anchor is screwed into place. Suture attachment to the second anchor is passed through the cuff and stored in the cannula. The fiber chain contains small links of thread similar to the links in a chain. The surgeon then creates an additional socket laterally. The second suture passed is retrieved from the cannula, and the SwiveLock anchor is then used to repair the rotator cuff to the bone by capturing a link of fiber chain and securing it to the bone socket. This step is repeated with the first suture. The double-row rotator cuff repair is complete when both sutures are securely fixed to the bone in all 4 sockets.